In this video, we'll show you what ebook widgets are, where to find ready-made ones, and how to add them to your ebook. First, let's talk about what ebook widgets are. Widgets are like miniature apps that your readers can use in your ebook. There are many types of widgets that you can choose from, such as chart widgets, puzzle widgets, a piano widget, and much more. Now comes the question, where can you find these widgets? You'll find ready-made ones available online, both free and paid on many widget websites such as Book Widgets. We have it now open, and as you can see, it has a lot of widget options to choose from. We've already created a puzzle widget and a chart one to add to our ebook, but if you'd like to know the full steps on how to create one yourself, you can visit their tutorials page by visiting this URL. Now, let's go ahead and download those widgets from here. Now that we've downloaded our widgets, we can now add them to our ebook in one of two ways. Either as part of the chapter or as an icon that opens the widget in a pop-up window. Pop-up widgets are better used for apps that need to take a big part of the screen and don't need to be viewed along with the rest of the text in the chapter. An example can be a puzzle game or a map widget. Page widgets, on the other hand, are better for adding material that needs to be backed up by surrounding content. An example can be animations or chart widgets that would need text beside them to add an explanation. Let's start by adding the puzzle widget that we created earlier as a pop-up widget. To do that, click on the Widget button on the right panel here. Select the pop-up widget option, then click on the Add Widget File button here and locate the widget's zip file. We'll choose the puzzle widget file from here and then click on Open. After that, some optional settings will appear. You'll notice that the image for the puzzle has been added here automatically as the icon. If you'd like, you can change that icon from the Add Your Own Icon button here. From here, you can choose to customize or remove the widget's close button. If you choose Side, then an X button will be placed in the upper right corner of the widget. And if you choose Top, then the word Close will be placed as a button at the top center of the widget. And if you choose None, then the Close button will be removed entirely. After you're all done, click on Create, and that's it. Your widget is now added to your ebook. Let's click on Preview here to view it. Our widget has been added as an icon, and if we click on it, we can start playing it right away. Now let's move on to creating a page widget. To do that, click on the Widget button, and this time, choose the Page Widget option. After you add the widget file, some optional settings will appear. Since the widget will be added inside the chapter, you can set its dimensions from here. If you'd like to wrap the text beside the widget, then you can choose whether you want to add the widget on the left or right of the text from the drop-down menu here. If you don't want to wrap it in text, then choose None. If you did choose to wrap the text around your widget, then you can set a margin size for your widget from here. If your widget has interactivity such as buttons or text fields, then check the box next to Interaction. And if your app is larger than the space allocated for it in your ebook, then add scrolling to it by checking the box here. Click Create, and that's it. Let's click on Preview here to activate the widget. And that's it. In the next section, we'll show you how to add and customize mini apps to your ebook. Stay tuned!